Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of the video. Now we're going to be creating a bullet. Now let's go to our sprite and check for something that looks similar to miso. Let's say miso. What's button 2? I'll be like, yeah, surprised that how does this even look like a bullet, a miso at all. So first let's change this to miso. We're going to do some changes to it. Now we don't need this place now, so now we'll click on this to shape it, and here we're going to shift this to the side and shift this to the side. Now I will shave this. We're not done. There are 2 layers here, so now we can just shift this. Now if you shift it inside, it'll be like this. Let's shift this inside a little more. Now this doesn't fully look like a bullet, so let's just go to our code and reduce it and say when again I will click. Let's say we should set size to, let's start with 20. This is much, and too many are coming out. What's happened to the rocks? Okay, yeah, maybe mistakenly deleted. Wait 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Click on myself. Okay. Now I want to say that this guy should go to the rocket ship always. Can bring out a forever block and say go to rocket ship. Ship. Now you can see it here. You can see that it's here, always following the rocket ship. Now let's turn it. You can see direction. I'm gonna make it 0. I'm gonna say point in direction. Let's change this back to where it was. Point in direction 0. Let's do this. Point in direction 0, and now it's like this. I want it to go back. Can use ghost fix and say go to back layer. Go to back layer. Let's click on it again. Now if you notice, it's here. This side, if you can scroll, see a blue thing here. It should be here. Now I want it to hide. I'm going to always click this, should also hide. So here we can say hide. Not forever. I'm going to click hide. Onto that, it should be shooting missiles out. That's what the missile is for. So now I want it to shoot missile. Say forever point direction 0. Now say wherever I change right by 10. Start again. Now nothing happens. Nothing is happening. But if you don't know, you have to say when green arrow clicked, we can bring it again and say show. And change Babylon's 10. Now you see nothing is showing. Why it's not showing is because firstly we have to bring this here, yes, and say when green arrow clicked show, but we cannot push through here. We have to put when I start as a clone. show. You cannot say when again I will clicked, put forever here and say create clone of myself. Create clone of myself. After that, I can say wait for, let's say 0.3 seconds. 0.3 seconds. Sure, you can say change on right. Now that isn't working because we haven't put forever. When I said it once, say forever, come down and put forever. And we should not be putting this height here because we don't want it to hide. Can I say point in direction 0 before it goes to back layer. Now say forever, change y by -10. Now as you can see, it is doing it. Now want that if it's touching the rocks or edges, it should disappear. It should hide and delete the clone. So we can say if touching. Now you can see there are no two spaces for that. We can go to our operators, put this in. If touching, let's bring it here. If touching, just in the first one, touching rocks or edges, or edge, it should delete this clone. To delete the clone, delete this clone. So now nothing is happening. The reason why it's not happening is because we put and edges, or we are supposed to put all edges, not and edges. Touching rocks, or touching edges. Now it's only when it's touching the edges that it is disappearing. So as you can see, it is not doing anything. It's just making this rocks. This is just making the bullets, the missile disappear. It's not making the rocks disappear. So if you want to make the rocks disappear, you can come here and say if touching missile, delete this clone. And that's what you can see. Let's start. Now deleted the clone, deleted the clone. Now it's not fun only having one player. You have two players, so we can duplicate this here. But now it's saying there, you can see if it is -179, it will now be this. So now you can now say that this is the same thing. So you can go to our costumes and change it. Now we want to select this part, but the reason why I cannot select it because it's grouped, so we can ungroup it and select this part here, and you can change it to say red, nope, black. Yes, black is a good color. Ungroup. if you have ungrouped and we are done with everything, if you want to group, you can group, but I'm not grouping back because I will not be really using the costumes part for this rocket ship. I'll be using the codes to do anything I want to do to the rocket ship. And ungroup, just change this to block. Now since that is done, it does the same thing. So now I want it to, we have the same controls for both of them, so we can change this, leave this as up or down, and change this to normal games controls. So up is for W, normal games W, down is for S, right is for D, and left is for A. So now we have to first click on this. Now we need a missile for this guy, so that we can duplicate this missile and say missile 2. Say all this will happen, but this time you say go to rocket ship 2. Now they can't destroy rocks, they can only hide. They'll hide when you touch the rock. Yes, so we'll go to rocks. The reason why is because we'll go to rock and say if touching missile 2, say 2, delete this clone. Let's click on this. Now let's try this. Let's go from far and try shooting. Now that is working, I want to make scores, so we can say when green arrow clicked, can come here and say make a variable player 1, player 1, can see player 1 then, and player 2. This player 1 score and player 2 score. You can show this player 2 score right here. Now player 1 score and player 2 score. Now we say each time he's touching missile 1, change my player 1 score, delete this clone, and change, firstly delete the clone, then change, let's drag this down. Oh yeah, you have to put it on top first, but this clone you cannot put. Change my player 1 score by 1, change my player 2 score by 1. So now that's changed their score. It hits it, it changes the score. Now if we start again, it still stays to the same score. Let's say that when green arrow clicked, set player 1 score to 0, duplicate, set player 2 score to 0. Now we want to that if rocks, still we are going to put if rock is touching rocket this time. Let's stop this. We can zoom in and shift all this to that side. Touching rocket ship this time. We want it to broadcast a message. P1, just say P1 for player 1. Can I say if touching, now broadcast message. Broadcast message is a way to communicate with other sprites in Scratch. So I'm communicating with other sprites with the backdrop, anything. let's move this, duplicate this, and say if touching rocketship 2, broadcast P2. Now after broadcasting P2, we can put a print and put a text here and say here, say player 1 wins, and we can say marker. Okay, increase this, that's the creator, and put it there. So that's okay. Now want to that when I receive P1 show, but we now say when green arrow clicked, hide. Now we're going to duplicate this PP, just name PP2. Go to our costumes and say player 2 wins. Code player 2 wins. When I say P2 this time, show. Now the game is if it touches. Now let's wait and say now player 2 wins. Wait, let's start again. Let's check. Something is wrong. No, don't shoot. Player 2 wins. Player 1 wins. And I see P2. P1. P2. Let's try it again. Let this guy not shoot. This guy shoots a wrong angle. And touch. Player 2 wins. Yes. I want to say that if it gets to 15, whoever has the highest score wins. Come to this box and say whoever has the highest score wins. We are going to go to this place here. You cannot say if let's stop this. If P1, we can remove this and put this in. If P1, this time see if player 1 is less than 15, broadcast P2. Let's duplicate. Let's stop this and duplicate this and say if less than 15, you change this to player 2, P1, P2. Now let's try testing the game. Now if I get up to 15, let's see. Player 2 has won because that is how it is. Don't even put in this here. If we are putting this again here, we can put it here, but remove this. If remove it from this place, okay. Player 1, let's change to P1, change to P2. Okay, now let's start. Now if this rocket ship still touches it, nothing will happen because I removed that. The only condition is if whoever gets to 15 first. Who passes 15? Sorry, let's check. Who has passed? So player 2 will win. We don't know yet. and player 2 win. Player 2 is going to win. Does not be too sure. 14, 15, and if player 2 pass 15, player 2 wins. So if that's how I win. Broadcast P1, yes, sorry. Broadcast P2. Let's stop this. Not to waste time, let's stop this and say 2. Back pass is 2 first, not to waste time since we have done 15 already. 2 and start this thing. Let's see who will win. Player 2 will win. Player 2 wins. Now let player 2 go to this side and player 1 just testing. And player 1 wins. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe. Bye.